Hey everybody, thank you so much for tuning in to my video. Of course, as you can see, I will be telling you guys about the Cloud9 Swiss Lace Wig by Sensational. This is called Chrissy in the color T4/27613. I ordered her, I believe, on wigtypes.com, and the price for that wig on that website is going to be about $38.94. And I absolutely love this wig. I've been wearing it for a while now. I've had it for almost a year, but I haven't been wearing it for a year. I've been wearing it for about maybe 2 months so far. And as you can see, when I put this wig on, it looks absolutely realistic. I love how the hairline looks. Guys, you don't have to do anything to this hairline at all. It is ready to put on your head as soon as you take it out of the package. You don't have to do any type of plucking whatsoever. It's very, very simple and easy, ready to wear right out of the box. All you have to do is get some of your favorite freeze spray or holding gel and adhere it to your head, and that's it. So the color is, I like the color a lot. The blonde color I think complements my skin tone, but I do want to try it in a darker color one day, just so I can have another option. The only con that I have about this hair is that the back of it is uneven, so I will get my husband to trim the back and you'll see it later on in the video. But other than that, it's really, really nice. I believe it is heat safe. It's 13x6 as well, so you're able to part it anywhere within that space, and it does have the dark roots throughout as well. Guys, look at that. Isn't it beautiful? I love the bang effect that it has and how it just kind of swoops over to one side. It's such a classy diva look. I mean, it's like giving me auntie vibes and stuff. So I love this hair. So classy, so sophisticated. Just an easy wearing type of wig. And I definitely recommend it a lot. So anyway, I thank you guys so much for watching my video, and I will see you in my next one. Bye!